Hi everyone, it is Thursday, so let's save with our Fun Foody Box challenge. Welcome back to my channel, Solo Mom Budget. I'm Sonia, a teacher and a single mom of two on a mission to make the most of our family budget while still enjoying life. First of all, thank you so much for being here, for watching and supporting. I appreciate you greatly. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Now, before I start this collaboration, let me just say I am starting, or kind of have started, my very first collaboration called the School of Savings. I already have quite a few ladies who joined, but I think that we could use some more collaborators. So if you're interested, I explained the challenge a little more in detail in my Tuesday video, but basically School of Savings means we are just going back to school to save together, and we have the different subjects. We already have French, we have history, we have geography, we have what was it? Economics, house economics is it? So yeah, and if you're interested, all you need to do is pick a subject and make a savings challenge for an A6 binder, actually just the way we're doing today. Let me know either in the comments or write me an email if you would like to join. That's it. Right, now let's get into this one. Today we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 euros to play with. So the bonus month is over, where I had, 50 euros to play with, even 60 at some point. So we're back to 30 now. Maybe I should do it this way. So let's start. Now, the last couple times, I somehow did not get to play a lot of games, so I actually looked up whether or not I somehow, didn't cut out all the cards, but I do. You see cupcake savings, you see the under budgeted, this or that, it's all here, save double. So let's see if we'll get to play a few more games today. Let me shuffle the cards quickly. All right, oh, missed the letters there. Okie dokie, let's start this way with Parmesan. So one more for Parmesan and then we're done with Parmesan. So let's see. There it is, $5. This is from Mom Wife Budget Life for her spaghetti bolognese. And that's it, the card is done. Putting it away. All right, moving on. Cross off one ingredient for free. And we'll do I want to do the tortillas? I think that's kind of too much. I was simply going to cross off the card that, came up next. But I think I don't want to cross off an item that's like €5. I'm not trying to actually cheat my way out of, no, these are tortilla chips, of saving. That's not the point, right? Let me see, how much would they be? Where are they? Tortillas. I will need them anyways. $3. Do I wanna cross the $3 off? No, I'll just look for, I'm gonna do the tortillas. I'm gonna look for the $1 item to cross off. Hold on. Any $1 item? Any $1 item? Here. How about the bun? Or the buns? We'll do this. So F means for free. And we'll put, I will need to put this one back, never mind. So this is from Cat Lady Budgets, the cheeseburger and fries. And where are now the tortillas? Here. We'll do the tortillas from Mama's Budget and More, chicken enchilada casserole. And oh yay, finished the very first recipe, finally. I am excited. Let's see how much it saved us. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You see, because here we had one of those for free cards. So this saved me $19. Yay! Great amount. And I will actually take it out and put the money in the bank. Well, I'll leave this here, but I'll put the money in the bank because this is actually getting so thick. It's really hard to close. So I'm happy to be able to get some money out of it. And there we go. All right, yay! I wanted to put this one back actually. And under budgeted, spent too much, save $3 into your catch-all. Yay, finally we get to play. We get to play. I wanted to play this here. $3, let's see where it's gonna go. 1. Okay, crossing this one off. This is, by the way, made by Mom with Budget Life. It says roll a dice to see what food stand you will go to. So we went into to the hot dog food stand this time. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Okie dokie. Moving on. I'll put this back. Well, I'll put it somewhere further down. Okay, peanut butter cups. Let's see who's got peanut butter cups. Obviously let's see if I can do a dessert, I wanted to say. Maybe I went too fast because I'm looking for a dessert actually. Peanut butter cups, no. Oh yeah, peanut butter cups. Oh, I crossed them off already. I must have put this back in instead of putting it away. Never mind. Moving right back on, right on. Eggs and eggs wash. So we need to find this 3 times. We'll look for all 3 recipes because I do want to get rid of the card. Okay, here is 1. $2. I hope we'll find all 3. This is from Blissful Budgeting for her waffles with lotus Biscoff bread. And then, where else do we need eggs? Here. This is from LJ's Butterflies LLC for her chicken and shrimp carbonara. I love carbonara sauce as well. $2. And can we or can we not find the last one? Can we find the last recipe? Egg wash. Perfect. Found it all. And it wasn't even expensive. It was like $2 and $3, which is great. So we still have money left to play more. I really love this game. It is so much fun. Rice. Let me see. I don't have any rice here in the back. I don't think so. So moving back this way. Moving back this way. There it is, $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second one. The second. Here it is. I think it doesn't matter how often you play this game, there's no way to remember like all the ingredients and all the recipes. That's just, this is from Backup Budget 777 for her sushi. And we need $2 for this one. And done with another card. Love it. Pancetta. I don't even remember seeing pancetta anywhere. I really do not know. Pancetta. Okay, one more time. LJ's Butterflies LLC Chicken Shrimp Carbonara. $3. 1, 2, oh no. Hold on. I do have some money in here. I don't have enough to exchange. No. That is not good. Hold on. I do have enough in my games here, so I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, what am I doing? Oh my god, okay. But I managed. Whoops. Okay. And we're back here and we're putting the €3 in here. Okie dokie. And then coconut. Is that I did coconut as well. Guys, what the heck? Did I kind of mix the finished ones with chicken? I don't think. Well, can we find chicken for €4? Or my daughter was at my table again and she kind of, messed around with my cards. Maybe that's possible. Very possible, because I keep finding her sneaking around my desk even if she knows she's not allowed to. Chicken breast. Okay. So let's do chicken breast for $3. This is budgeting with a ginger, creamy, sour cream chicken casserole. And then we'll have to mark this off because I think we'll have to do this again. And then we have €1 more. You know what? I'll have a look. I don't think I can find chicken for €1. Let me see what the next card says. Oh no, that's the buns that I did for free. That's the buns. I'm gonna move that away. Vermicelli noodles. Good day. Might they be $1? I don't think so. But we'll have a look. And then if not, I'll put it in one of the games. Vermicelli noodles. $2. Okay, never mind. Cupcake savings. Perfect. Cupcake savings. Well, anyways, yes, why not? Let's do cupcake savings and I'll put the $1. Where are my cupcake savings? Hold on. They must be in here. Let's do cupcake savings. And each of these is worth 50 cents. So I'll cross off 2. And I'll put the $1 in here, and I think that worked just fine. All right, ta-da! We are already done. Awesome, great. Now, finished our first recipe. I'm excited, yay, feeling like I'm moving somewhere, it's getting along. So yeah, thank you so much for being here, for spending time with me. I wish you a great Thursday, a great rest of the week, and I hope to see you here on Sunday for my weekly check-in. Bye!